So quickly, I am jealous. But thank you, I love the outfit.
Thank you.
अनुप्रिया जी सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि फर्स्ट वर्चुअल आप रैंप वॉक आई थिंक आप अटेंड करें
जी।
तो बताइए कि जरा कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस वर्चुअल रैंप वॉक का
काफ़ी डिफरेंट था. ऑफ कोर्स आप वो लाइव थ्रिल मिस करते हैं, लाइव ऑडियंसेस की. यू कैन मेक कॉन्टैक्ट विद देम एंड यू काइंड ऑफ वाइबिंग. But on the other hand, you could have n number of takes, so that was a relief.
You're more in control.
Yeah, you're more in control. You know that even if things go wrong, it's okay. I think ramp walk is quite an art in itself, and I'm always, quite. I have butterflies in my stomach.
But for you, it
all
must
the
be
time.
easier this because it's like shooting a film.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
this was far more relaxing in that sense, but you miss the
Yeah.
live audience.
सर व्हाट अबाउट यू हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद वर्चुअल रैंप वॉक वर्चुअल फैशन शो
अभी 40 साल के बाद क्या बोलूँ?
नो इट्स अ वर्चुअल
No. I mean, it's very nice. बहुत अच्छा है. The thing is that it can be planned, and there's editing after that, which can make it really good.
Yeah.
So what we're doing right now is shooting extra. So then it's the editors and the rest of the team which really will make this show
Come alive.
into an incredible show. Like as I always said, a designer doesn't stand alone. A designer stands with his team, and when it comes to a fashion show, there are so many other people around which really make a fashion show a fashion show. So that is what I'd like to thank the Times today for giving us this opportunity.
एंड सर ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट प्रेजेंट किया आपने हमने देखा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स
Beautiful लड़की पे नहीं किया. How rude.
तो थोड़ा सा थीम के बारे में अगर आप बता सके कि क्या प्रेजेंट किया
ये
आपने
पूरा कपड़े में हैंडलूम इस्तेमाल किया है. आई एम वेरी इनटू इंडियन वीव्स और मैं 2005 में गमछा इस्तेमाल किया है. 2007 में मैं वो शोलापुर ब्लैंकेट. बाद में मैं हमेशा इंडिया का चीज़ मैं देखना चाहिए और मेरा कटिंग my cutting is only based on India. I am not into Western cutting. I am not into nangi-pangi clothes. I think that is something which is so sensationalist and not at all necessary with fashion. Fashion has to be a reflection of the lady.
True.
You
Very
know,
true.
so I may design what I want, magar will it suit her? That is the most important thing. And when you're selling something also, if you're selling something to somebody which doesn't look nice in your clothes but the price is right, it's an insult to her as well as to me, because when she wears it she's not going to look nice,
Yeah.
and then when she wears it she won't be comfortable.
True. Very true.
So fashion is all about comfort and about the other woman wearing it. It's not about the designer. We are just there to make other people's dreams come true.
सो ब्यूटीफुल लड़की अनुप्रिया आप
I was just
बताइए
kidding.
कि आप बताइए कि आप आउटफिट के बारे में कितना कंफर्टेबल है आपके लिए and
बहुत ज़्यादा. As he so rightly put, that fashion is something wherein it's an extension of one's personality.
Yeah.
It should be suited to one's body type and the way they are in personality also, and then beautify that further. Bring that alive. Aspects of you which probably you don't see in aspects of the woman, which you don't probably see just like that. And I think Indian clothes do something to a woman, the Indianness of it and the sensuality and everything like that. And James' clothes, I loved the outfit at first look. For me, it really works because it, personally to my body type, this kind of an outfit just reflects what is beautiful and hides what is a problem. But then on the other hand, it makes me feel extremely confident and comfortable. But also on the ramp, I must add, I saw such variety of outfits today on his show. Everyone was different, everyone was unique. There was a different flavor in terms of textiles, in terms of the shapes and sizes and what they were signifying as costumes. And I was completely in awe. And every single outfit was better than the other. So so I think the show was fantabulous. I really loved his designs and the way he is more than anything else.
Thank you.
And I hope that we work together in future.
Thank you.
अनुप्रिया जी आपका स्टाइल मंत्रा क्या होता है लाइक जब आप शूट पे होती है या एयरपोर्ट पर होती है या फिर आप वर्क पर होती हैं, तो वहाँ पर स्टाइल मंत्र क्या होता है अनुप्रिया जी का? ये तो फैशन शो है, थीम के हिसाब से सब
हाँ.
कुछ होता है।
I think primarily feeling comfortable is the most important of all. And after that, it's really about, for me, it's about the occasion. You know, where am I? Like at an airport, I would probably wear something that I'm comfortable. I know that I have to take a whole flight of a couple of hours and then travel. I'll really, comfort would be the primary thing. If it's an evening function, if it's an award function, then I can skip the comfort a little bit and do something that I would probably not wear on other days, just to make myself feel that way for that particular day. But yeah, more than anything else, whatever I'm wearing, I should like it. It should be for me, not just for the opposite person. And it should denote something about me and not be completely contrary to my personality.
एंड इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें, जब सारी दुनिया लॉकडाउन में अपने घर में थी, तब आपका आश्रम जो सीजन आया एंड लोगों ने बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किया,
जी.
सीजन 2 भी लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया. सो एज एन एक्टर क्या फील करती है अनुप्रिया?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. पूरी टीम जब इतने शिद्दत के साथ काम करती है, एक प्रोजेक्ट को साथ में लगाते हैं, बनाती है. इट टुक अस टू मेक सम 5-6 months, to make Ashram, and the entire credit goes to Prakash sir and the whole team. The actors were just one part of it who were on the forefront, but it was the entire team that worked for a year and a half, and MX as a studio which supported such a concept, and I think it's a very important concept that got told, and I'm glad that people appreciated it in the right perspective and gave it so much love, and which could have gone horribly wrong in the times that we are in today. But that just shows that when you put things in the right perspective in a very unbiased manner, people see that, and if they take something home with them, that's their victory.
और अब हम देख रहे हैं कि क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सीजन 2 का ट्रेलर आ
जी.
चुका है, जो कि 1 लोगों ने बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किया. सॉरी सर,
No. Oh, I'm going to start crying. सिर्फ उनके लिए.
आपने देखा इनके आश्रम या क्रिमिनल जस्टिस?
वो अपने कपड़े देखेंगे, वो आश्रम या क्रिमिनल जस्टिस में भी देख रहे होंगे कि आउटफिट कैसी है, यहाँ गलत किया या सही किया.
तो सीजन 2 का ट्रेलर आ
जी,
चुका है, तो
जी.
आप बताना चाहेंगे कि
बस ये कि 24 दिसंबर को आ रहा है हॉटस्टार पे, प्लीज़ देखिए. वी होप दैट हमने जैसे फर्स्ट सीजन में एक तहलका मचाया था, सेकंड सीजन भी उतनी अच्छी तरह रिसीव हो. दिस टाइम इट्स अ वुमेन्स स्टोरी टोल्ड फ्रॉम अ वुमेन्स पर्सपेक्टिव, सो अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोरी टू बी टोल्ड.
एंड सर क्रिसमस एंड न्यू दिवाली अभी जस्ट बीती है, क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर भी आ रहा है. सो ऐसे न्यू ईयर के मौके पर आपकी कोई ऐसी स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग हम देखेंगे, लाइक अनुप्रिया जी एंड जो डिफरेंट मॉडल्स है उन सभी को कलेक्शन है आपकी तरफ से?
I've been in this, मैं अभी 40 साल इसमें है
बिल्कुल सर.
ना, तो मैं इतना लोग आया है, इतना लोग गया है, मगर I only want to say one thing. It is about the personality of the person which is the most important. And I mean, fashion comes, fashion goes, but I think if you need to stick to classics, like ये outfit मैं Vogue शुरू करने के लिए वो जोधपुर में वो they did that show at the Umeed Bhavan. I had made this outfit at that time.
वाओ.
इसका मतलब ये आउटफिट है 21 years old, मगर जो मैं करता है मैं देखना
It's
चाहिए
evergreen.
कि मैं ये क्लासिक है. आप 20 साल पहला या 20 साल के बाद पहन सकते हैं, मगर वो फ्रेश दिखना चाहिए और नया दिखना चाहिए. वो तो मेरा कपड़े का आई वांट टू से दैट विद माय
वो
क्लोथ्स.
हमें दिखता है.
Yeah.
सो अनुप्रिया जी ऐसी कोई स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग होने वाली है न्यू ईयर के मौके पर?
आई थिंक हम लोग शूट कर रहे होंगे अरुण, एंड अगर शूट नहीं करेंगे तो हाँ मैं एक छोटी सी ट्रिप करना चाहती हूँ.
एंड आपकी तरफ से एक विश, न्यू ईयर एंड क्रिसमस विश?
Well, to everyone out there, have a great, fantastic New Year's, and enjoy yourself thoroughly. 2020 has been a trying year for all of us, and I'm sure that 2021 would be equally refreshing, and I hope we take some learnings forward. And thank you, James, for
Thank
dressing me up
you
so
so
beautifully.
much. Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoy our show.
Thank
Please
you.
watch it.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank
सर.
you.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड गुड लक.
थैंक यू.
नाउ यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा पोज करेंगे, लाइक थोड़ा सा विजुअल्स, जस्ट अ फ्यू सेकंड्स.
So ready to go.
Give me 1 minute. Solo.
Arun, अगर आपने एक दो questions और पूछे होते ना तो James would have hopped on that side and helped you. He passed. हो गया. Really tired.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Done. जब ना आपने देखा आश्रम दोनों